Well, thanks for coming by the shop today, and what we have is a sponsored review for the Evolution R255 SMS, which is the sliding miter saw, and it's a very versatile tool. It cuts wood, it cuts metal, it cuts plastic, it cuts it all. So let's go over here and we'll do a few things on the saw and you can check it out. When you're preparing to assemble your Evolution 225 miter saw, be sure and review your instructions in your manual. Be sure and review the safety operation instructions. Have a few pieces of safety gear that you might need on different jobs. You know, if you're going to do wood, metal, something like that, definitely face protection and the proper gloves. If you're going to do masonry or tile, possibly a particle mask and hearing protection might be nice to add. Well, this is a compound sliding miter saw, and it really has a smooth action. We have a dust collector here, a little bag, and also if you had a vacuum that you wanted to hook up to it, it gives you this little vacuum adapter. Another feature that's handy on the saw is it has the little rollers that are part of the table, and that's a good feature also. You can use the saw on and off of the leg set, and that's pretty handy. You could even, operate it off the tailgate of a pickup. If you'd like to find out more about these tools, go to evolutiontools.com, and they have several different saws on there for all different types of cutting and jobs out there. So if you find this video helpful, I'd appreciate you subscribe or give it a thumbs up. I appreciate y'all coming by the shop. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.